I just love how quick this dish is. If you're anything like us, then you probably have the same few pasta recipes on repeat.
Yes, whether it's some sort of pesto pasta or a tomato marinara, sometimes it can just get a little bit dull and you want something new.
So today we are mixing it up. We're using a bit of this
And a little bit of this, and we're going to make a super simple weeknight dinner using only 8 ingredients.
So let's get started.
This recipe starts with this star ingredient, the butternut squash. We're going to prepare it first by removing the unwanted hard outer skin with a peeler.
We're going to cut our butternut squash into little bite-sized cubes, so probably around this size, it's about 1 inch.
We're going to pop our squash into a roasting tin along with one of our favourite vegan proteins, the classic and always delicious chickpeas. Cover everything in the roasting tin with a good glug of oil. We're using rapeseed, and then of course you're going to want to boost the flavour with a good seasoning of salt and pepper.
I'm just giving these a quick shake and then I'm going to pop it straight in the oven.
This will take roughly 25 minutes at 200 degrees. Whilst that's in the oven, doing its business, we're going to continue on with the show. Slice up 4 cloves of garlic, which may seem like a lot, but believe me, it's necessary. And then we're going to run our knife through a large handful of fresh parsley.
We're using some lovely cavelo nero in this recipe. You could also use kale, and the first thing we need to do is get rid of these tough stems.
I love the way the cavolo nero looks in this recipe. Once mixed in with everything, the silky, dark forest green will really pop against the vibrant orange of the sweet roasted squash. Moving forward, we're going to put a large glug of extra virgin olive oil into a frying pan.
The key to this recipe is putting the garlic, the parsley and the oil in the pan cold. This means that when it all heats up together, all the flavours mingle together, it's all infused and the oil tastes delicious. I just love how quick this dish is. It takes about 20 minutes, basically the time that the butternut squash is roasting in the oven. You want to put your pasta on whilst the garlic and the parsley and the olive oil is all cooking together, and then it's all done. You just combine everything together at the end.
Once the garlic and parsley have been sizzling for a moment, throw in the cavolo nero and the dried chilli flakes. Give that all a good toss, and now you're ready to bring back our incredible roasted squash and chickpeas. Everything goes into one pan, including the spaghetti, and gets tossed. Once everything is coated in the delicious garlicky oil, you're ready to serve up.
This pasta is so simple and quick,
Yes.
and it tastes amazing too. I think we should give it a go.
Yeah.
It's so good. You might have noticed this is kind of a little twist on a classic Italian recipe, spaghetti aglio e olio. So we've mixed it up with the cavolo nero and the butternut squash
And the chickpeas.
And the chickpeas. So the chickpeas add a really nice crunch.
And a bit of protein as well.
Exactly, and then you've got the butternut squash, which kind of adds this nice sweet kind of earthiness to it.
And the sweetness and the earthiness goes so well with the spiciness from the chili flakes as well.
It's got a little kick to it, which I love.
Yes.
If you guys are looking for more tasty, simple weeknight dinners, we have loads of them on our channel, and we'll pop a few here in a minute. And we really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe.
If you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave us a like. It really helps our channel out. And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye!